So the VIX, starting from the daily, both combining our retail and our institutional trading strategies, you can see that just overall looking at from the daily, you can see that we had this upward move. Let me just remove this. Right, so we had this is a downtrending market, as you can see. Downtrending market, lower highs, lower lows. Right, so according to what I'm looking at, according to what we are seeing on the daily, this was still a downtrending market, as you can see here. As you can see here, this was still a downtrending market. As soon as the market came back, test this OB here. As it tested that OB, check what happened. Check what happened from just after testing that OB. The market went all the way to the downside. So what I'm looking at, let me see what I'm looking at here. Right, so after testing this OB, check what happened. Check what happened after testing this OB. Went all the way to this swing low here. Went all the way to this swing low. Right. So now we're looking at this bullish move, bearish move, correction. So roughly we are looking forward to this zone here. We're looking forward to this zone here. We're looking forward to that zone according to institutional trading strategies. We're looking to that zone as the first target, maybe for the buys that can possibly happen, because if you check even according to retail strategies, this was the trend line, broken, retested. So basically, according to the break and retest, we're expecting first target is the previous swing high, which is that level that I've just marked. So that is what we can see according to the daily. And if you use your Fibonacci, you can actually see that the market is respecting 61.8 Fibonacci, which is a good golden zone for our entries. So roughly, according to the daily, the market is most probably presenting us with bullish opportunities. As you can see, like so. Here I can choose to combine both the institutional and the retail trading strategies. I can even use my retail trend lines. I can do this. I can do that. I can do this here. According to this now, what does it mean? According to this retail method that I'm using, push, correction, after the correction, then push. So I'm expecting a further push after the break outside of this channel there, according to the retail perspective. Same thing according to the institutional perspective. I have let me see if I can mark an area of significance. I have this fair value gap here, this imbalance that is here, this imbalance that is here. So the market actually respected the imbalance, then it's actually bouncing on the imbalance after after it changed character here according to the 4-hour. So on 4-hour already, there's a change of character. The one that we are waiting for to happen on the daily already, it has happened on the 4-hour. So already on the 4-hour, we can actually create change of character there. Change of character already. This is the swing high that I'm expecting to buy through. Swing high. Okay. Like this. Right. So both according to a retail and institutional perspective, we are both agreeing that this is a buying time for the VIX. So according to the retail traders right now, they might be waiting for the break of this channel to actually maybe buy further. But according to the institutional, already we are in buys based on this fair value gap here. We enter our buys, the stop loss just below the fair value gap. Target that swing high at the top there. So you can even go lower to the 1 hour. Can even go lower to the 1 hour. Right, this is the 1 hour. Or swing high there. This is the 1 hour. Right, so on the 1 hour, you can also see that this area here, this whole zone here, from here to here. This is an OB according to the 1 hour. This is an OB. This last bearish candle before this bullish move. This is an order block. The market pushed from the order block, went and broke structure there, went on and broke structure. Once you see a demand zone breaking structure, that demand zone is a very, very strong order block level. So it broke structure there, broke structure, came back to the order block, mitigated the order block, formed what I call the double bottom according to the retail perspective. Right now, we are now going forward, we're now going up according to both the retail and the institutional. We are both agreeing the same thing. So right now, I'm expecting the break here, maybe the retest according to the retail, then we continue pushing all the way to the swing line. But according to the institutional already, we are in already based on that order block mitigation that has just happened. Based on that order block mitigation here that has happened, we enter on the order block, or stop loss just below the order block, or TP there on the swing line, which is something like $98, the minimum lot size, which is something that is reasonable. So roughly, this is my lookout currently for the VIX. This is my lookout currently for the VIX, according to both retail and institutional trading strategies.